Hi everyone, welcome to Data Science Using Pandas tutorial series. My name is Srirang Korde and I will be covering this tutorial series. I have more than 21 years of experience of working in various industries. For several years I have done programming, designing and similar stuff. I conduct coaching for students and I also do industry trainings. I have authored a book in Internet of Things which is titled 21 IoT Experiment. My current area of focus is machine learning, deep learning, Python and data science, then data structures as well as various programming including Android programming. I also have created a video about deep learning tutorial series on Udemy. I hope you will find that also interesting. So let's now take a look at what are the contents of this particular course which is data science using pandas. So in this data science using pandas we are going to cover Jupyter. We'll get a quick idea about Jupyter and we'll understand the data reader aspect of it, how the web component is responsible for getting the stock prices data, and then we will also understand from where we can get stock information or share information. Then we'll try to get into details about SQL and we'll understand MySQL support in pandas. We will do these things hands-on. Obviously even the Jupyter stuff we will be doing it hands-on. MySQL stuff also will be done hands-on. Then we'll understand about how do we go and read a CSV file, because in CSV file there are several aspects with respect to header, the columns, how to deal with the various headers, then and stuff like that. So that we will see as part of CSV file read, as well as we will do the CSV file writing or creating of a CSV file. Then we'll try to understand how do we do actually the data processing, and where we try to understand how do we do data wrangling as well as how do we handle missing data. So it's a two-part video series that we will cover as part of this tutorial series. So this is going to be quite elaborate. Then we'll deal more with respect to handling data, that is how do we take care of data frames, and then how do we do group by clauses. Then we'll also understand how do we concatenate the data frames and stuff like that. So all these things which are highlighted here are going to be hands-on activities. Then we are going to take a look at merge, how merge is supported in pandas when we basically handle data frames. Then we are going to take a look at basically pivot. So essentially we will work with pivot table. We'll also try to see how typically the pivot with respect to Excel is there and what is the support that is provided in pandas. Then another important thing is we need to understand using pandas how can I work with Excel support or Excel file, which are essentially .xlsx file. So we need to look into it. We'll also go through the installations that are required. Then we'll try to understand an important again a feature, that is stack and unstack. Using that lot of data processing can be done. Then the cross tabulation, so which is another way or a view to look at data as well as doing data analysis. And then the reshape using the meld function. In all these things, whatever we are doing, we will be doing all these hands-on activities. We are going to do with a lot of real data like stock market data, the temperature data and stuff like that. So I hope you will like this tutorial series. You will enjoy these videos, and I hope you will join this tutorial series. Thank you.